Hi everyone. SSC में top government exams के experience में हम बहान बमक्तर GKGS मणिपुर ने welcome तौजरी ngasisu GKGS मणिपुर ने current affairs की सरुक अमा ओइना weekly current affairs from 17 March to 23rd March फोकी video अमा पुदुनु लाक्सरी हाइब video से 17 March to 23rd March फोक थोकी important events in the base तौबा अदो video अमा ओइगनी ममांग दसु GKGS मणिपुर ना weekly current affairs की video ani puduna laksakre hariba current affairs ki video du yengribu isil naw singna adaidi akhoi experience singna amtang yengbiu yamna kana gani na khanjai aduga tung tarak potu GKGS manipur na soidana akhoi weekly current affairs ki video hafta khudinge dum puduna laksakani maramadana GKGS manipur ki channel asibu subscribe tawdriba viewers sing experience sing subscribe toksin biro and atopa experience sing atopa viewers sing yonab gi damakta like amasung share tobo kawbiganu hana nikingjari masiara kanda ngasigi video class asi haunab torsi ko yeng asi ahan bada aina hida question mari ka point out tore ko masigi question je khoi horen amuk soidana naina jara khigini aduga mayam khoi gi ngasigi video se exam oriented oina tawbani na khoi MCQ format ta soidana dum pujara kani MCQ format to ogini ka adubo sigi question ji yeng asi question ahan da who has recently been awarded the Stockholm Water Prize 2025 Stockholm Water Prize 2025 to Canada awarded to kibano na hangi ka akhoi gi ahan question sa dai ani subo question the upper ID mayam soidan tabira monika recently in the news is associated with his initiative karamba initiative ka associated oibano na hangi ka upper ID se ka and third who was the chief guest at the Raisina Dialogue 2025 Raisina Dialogue 2025 ta kana bu chief guest oi kibagini hena hangi ko karamba country the pangthok kibano kana bu chief guest oi kibano the important oi ko that who was when was the World Water Day 2025 celebrated World Water Day 2025 karam kan celebrated tawno na sign tawno question sing sugum mong the important oi question sing akoi dum thengna jagani ka yang se du tardi ahan ba question da in which state or union territory will the Khelo India Para Games 2025 be held? Khelo India to Para Games 2025 sa karamba state natro karamba union territory to pangthok tino sinita ko ahan ba question sina hangise ka do tardi option A the Assam, option B the New Delhi, and option C the Uttar Pradesh, and option D the Uttarakhand, and option mari pira ko. So akoina khange that is from here the correct option is New Delhi ko option B New Delhi the pangthok ni Khelo India Para Games ko karamba date gi horakanda from March 20 to 27 for pangthok aduba adomba sanabagi akhoi Para Games ni ko from March 20 to 27 for pangthok aduba adomba games ni aduga sigi haiba Khelo India Para Games to over 1300 athletes para athletes 1300 para athletes singna akhoi saruk yaduri ko para athletes aduga karamba 36 states hoigi lairiba 36 states and union territories tagi 1300 para athletes na saruk yagadori ko aduga kaya sports makhal kaya da compete tawdino in hangtadi in 6 sports ta compete tawgodomni ko sigi pointing sisu mayam nising biro with this question number 2 the continue to see who won the Australian Grand Prix 2025 Australian Grand Prix 2025 adum khangbira magani ka yang ase khoi picture da su ure picture se ubu matam da khoi option sing je khang basu yawra magani ka the option ahan bada is George Russell and option number B the Andrea Kimi Antonelli and option number C the Lando Norris and option number D the Max Verstappen and option mari pi and here the correct option is that is option number C Lando Norris ka Lando Norris is the correct option here. With this question number 3 then we'll continue to say on which that World Poetry Day 2025 is celebrated karamba numita World Poetry Day 2025 is celebrated tawbano na hangi ka so yang asi 20 March tara 22 March tara 23 March tara 21st March tara option mari pire ko and akogi correct option se haidingai da akogi World Poetry Day akogi adum ure picture da su ko the correct option is 21st March and antak sahi ki theme of 2025 hai tar theme of 2025 se karino hai na ha matam da Poetry as a bridge for peace and inclusion and high. Poetry as a bridge for peace and inclusion haibase hantak chahigi theme ni. So don't understand the Viramanika. With this question number 4, now continue to say, what is the date of celebration for World Forestry Day or International Day of Forest in 2025? World Forestry Day natraga International Day of Forest 2025 ta karamba date celebrated tawbano hangi ko 20 March tara 21st March tara 22nd March tara 23rd March tara in a option mari pire, and here the correct option is mayam picture to show obire, that is 21st March ko 21st March ta celebrated tawbani. 21st March, not only World Forestry Day or International Day of Forest, but also World Poetry Day. World Poetry Day su 21st March celebrated toibo mayang kaubiginu ko confusion chatkani ko ado haiba akhoi gi kedoba theme of 2025 hai tare International Day of Forest ki theme of 2025 se kari haina akhoi haibano haina ham matamda hangak taragadi akhoi forest and food adum hangi ko mayam theme ji dum hangi question da dum thengna ba su soi ne obiramone exam tha ba sat pa isil no sin ka. Next amu yang ase, what is the theme for the World Meteorological Day 2025? World Meteorological Day 2025 ki theme ko World Meteorological Day hantak chahi oina khoi 23rd March ta celebrated toi ko 23rd March ta. And theme do yang ase option number A, that the ocean, our climate and weather ko option number A the pire, and option number B, the at the front line of the climate action ko, and option number C, the closing the early warning gap together, and option number D, the understanding clouds and and here the correct option is hantak sahigi theme of 2025 se closing the early warning gap together, that is option number C is the correct option ka. Aduga akhoi World Meteorological Day se kam kanda establish tawkhimno habsim tang akhoi khangminaram ji ko World Meteorological Day haidum nate ko me World Meteorological Organization haidum ne World Meteorological Organizations ko organization se kam kanda establish tawkhibno na hangak taragade akhoi mase 23rd March 1950 da establish tawkhibne magi establishment se commemorate tawnabugi damakta ko akhoi World Meteorological Day se every year 23rd March kudingi celebrated tawi aduga hantak sahi gi theme na closing the early warning gap together habse hantak sahi gi theme ni ka. And next akhoi question number 6 to continue to see, when was the World Water Day 2025 celebrated? World Water Day 2025 ka yeng si 21st March tara 22nd March tara 23rd March tara 24th March tara haina akhoi option mari pire, and akhoi picture desu ure, that is 22nd March ta akhoi World Water Day celebrated tawi aduga World Water Day hantak sahi gi theme 2025 theme of 2025 se kari no na hangak taragadi akhoi gi glacier preservation ko preservation habse akoi hantak sahi gi theme ni ko glacier preservation akoi dasu ure ko picture daso myam so then understand to biramone and thaza. With this question number 7 the continue to see, what is the theme for World Sparrow Day 2025? World Sparrow Day 2025 se gi theme je kari no na ko gi hangi ko. So mayam ningsing mina se World Sparrow Day se ko kai do bakita makta celebrated to wino na hangi ko World Sparrow Day se ko March 2025 hantak sahi gi oina March 20 da celebrated to kari gi do makta celebrated to no na akoi sparrow gi importance akoi gi climate change laiba akoi sparrow mangsi laiba number akoi sparrow gi masing decline to rapase masigi awareness se akoi miyam di honnabugi tamakta masung sparrow akoi sen akoi maitai lon da hai taragadi sentrang hai tare ko masigi maru ob je akoi gi nature da masigi message send tawnabugi tamakta ne ko. And masigi hantak sahi gi theme hai taragadi theme of 2025 se attribute to nature's tiny messengers and hai option number C is the correct option here, attribute to nature's tiny messengers ko. And next question number 8 to continue to see, Recently, which Indian actor has received the Lifetime Achievement Awards at the House of Commons in UK? Ko. In UK, the karamba Indian actor pu akhoi Lifetime Achievement Awards phangkibano na hangi ko. And House of Commons se akhoi ke doba UK gi lower house ni ko me lower house of UK ni. And akhoi actor do kanano yengasi option number A the Allu Arjun, and option number B the Chiranjeevi, and option number C the Shahrukh Khan, and option number D the Akshay Kumar ko. Yengasi dui taragadi akhoi picture the sure, that is Chiranjeevi. Option number B is the correct option here. With this question number 8 say akhoi ma'am answer su khanga bani understand or magni thajai. And question number 9 the continue to say who has been selected for the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2024. Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2024 kana da pi kibano na hangi ka. Masigi damakta kana bu selected to kibano is Arun Yogiraj, option number A, the option number B the Ram Gupta, and option number C the Ram Sutar, and option number D the Vikas Sharma. And here the correct option is kanabuno, that is Ram Sutar. Option number C is the correct option, Ram Sutar ida lere ko. And Ram Sutar se akhoi ke doba yamna sahi yamaba 100 years yoraba khoi veteran sculptor amneba ko. Veteran sculptor amne sahi chama suba veteran sculptor amne aduga akhoi gi ke doba Gujarat la Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Statue of Unity मैम सोइदन ताबीरमगनी Statue of Unity नत्रा Statue of Unity सिसु महांगना कदवा design तौकिबनी को design तौकिबनी अदुगा कदवा अखोगी Lord Ram in Ayodhya अखोगी अयोध्या दा लाइरिबा Lord Ram की statue को statue in Ayodhya सिसु महांगना design तौकिबनी मैम सोइदन खंगबिरमनी का अदुगा Lord Ram statue in Ayodhya ko. Statue of Unity su akhoi kanana design tauba Ram Sutar na. Lord Ram ki statue Ayodhya da lai su kanana design tauba akhoi Ram Sutar na design tauba. Aduga marks in 1919 da ko 1999 sorry 1999 hamilton 1999 da kai tauba Padma Shri su phangye Padma Shri ko. Aduga 2016 da na kari phangye ba Padma Bhushan phangye. Government of India na mga awarded to ini ko mahaki kito achievement sing to recognize to boy na ko to 1999 dana Padma Shri and 2016 dana Padma Bhushan. Sige point sing sisu mayam question number 9 gi point sing to understand to biramang ni anthazai. And with this question number 10 the continue to question number 10 the who has recently been awarded the Stockholm Water Prize 2025. Stockholm Water Prize 2025 ko kana awarded to no yengas ka. Option number A the Han Kang, and option number B the Zone Force, and option number C the Gunter Bloskel, and option number D the Deborah Smith, and okay option Marie P. And here the correct option is that is option number C Gunter Bloskel. Gunter Bloskel in the later marks say Stockholm Water Prize awarded to Gunter Bloskel kanano and hang target over marks a renowned maming yam the satpa adum hydrologist amani ka. Hydrologist. He was a renowned hydrologist ko. Mahaki karigidamakta mahakse kedo Stockholm Water Prize awarded to ino hamatam da mahaki work ko mahaki pioneering work in kari food analysis, food risk analysis, and water resource management gidamakta resource management da mahaki achauba thogdang ama layeba ko pioneering work ama mahaki layeba ko adugna maram orakanda marks se kedoba Stockholm Water Prize 2025 month awarded to ko. So with this question number 11 the continue to say who has recently been honored with the 59 Nanpit Award ko 59 Nanpin Award se kanade awarded to banon hangi ko. Option number A the Vinod Kumar Shukla, option number B the Punima Devi Burman, and option number C the Vikas Sharma, and option number D the Sakshi Thakur. Okay, and here okay picture the sure 59 Nanpit Award okay both game you yaukiba kon news to yam yaukiba, that is option number A Vinod Kumar Shukla ko. Vinod Kumar Shukla is a karino okay high but Nanpit Award che okay ꯂꯤꯇꯔꯦꯆꯔꯗ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯂꯤꯇꯔꯦꯆꯔꯕꯨ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯇꯔꯦꯆꯔꯕꯨ ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯛꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯏꯟ ꯗ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯂꯤꯇꯔꯦꯆꯔꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯕꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯁꯨꯛꯂꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯇꯤꯁꯒꯔꯗ ꯕꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯟꯄꯤꯠ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯠꯇꯤꯁꯒꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 11 ꯂꯥꯈ ꯔꯨꯄꯤꯁ 11 ꯂꯥꯈꯀꯤ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯖ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯇꯔꯦꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯇꯔꯦꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯅꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯛꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯁꯨꯛꯂꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 59 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯟꯄꯤꯠ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯦ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯅꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ So, with this question number 12 to continue to our question number 12, which country will host 11 Asian Swimming Championship 2025? 11 Asian Swimming Championship 2025 karamba country host tawdino hangi France, India, China, USA. And here the correct option is that is India. India na host tawdini ko 11 Asian Swimming Championship 2025 kadai the host tawdino hangak taragadi akhoi kedoba Naranpura Sports Complex, Ahmedabad ko. The host of the Naranpur Sports Complex, Ahmedabad. With this question number 12, which may understand the Biramani and Thazai ko. Question number 13, the continue to say, which city has India proposed as the host for the 2030 Commonwealth Games? Karamba city da ako Indiana host already have a multinati ko proposed ko as the host for the 2030 Commonwealth Games ko mayam marak tanga mo so gibiyo tarso mayam nang pigani ko karamba city dano yang se du tadi Chennai, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, New Delhi ko and here the correct option is option number C, Ahmedabad tani ko. And with this question number 14 the continue to see what is the name of the next generation AI model recently announced by Google? Google announced recently announced next generation AI model do adugi maming kari kaupanon hangi Gemini AI2, Alpha Mind, Gamma 3, Neural Net X ko akhoi Gemini version 2 gi akhoi improve or version amne hai tare akhoi Sundar Pichai picture da su ure natra Sundar Pichai Google gi CEO aduga and here Gamma 3 is the correct option number C is the correct option ko. And next the question number 15 the continue to say Chandrayaan 5 missions will be conducted in collaboration with his country karamba country ko collaborate taro kan Chandrayaan 5 mission India gi mission ni ko Chandrayaan natra moon explore to bogi tha laibak explore to bogi mission amni Chandrayaan hai base ko akoi Chandrayaan 3 bu akoi thagat kre Chandrayaan 4 hoji pau thagat kre Chandrayaan 4 se karam kan schedule tawi Chandrayaan 4 mission je scheduled to launch in 2027 the schedules launch over schedule tawremi ko adugi matungda Chandrayaan 5 mission je akhoi cabinet na approve tawkre karamba country ga collaboration tawkanda thagatuino ma ki mission je karamba country ga collaborate tawdino na hab matamda khoi picture da sure that is Japan ko option number C is the correct option here ko Japan gi mogi kedoba space agency dugi maming ke koi jaksa koi ko sigi full form se myam jaksa gi full form se myam akoi comment box ta drop to chin biro mo ko akoi comment box ta myam yang kan da ko akoi haiba sigi Chandrayaan 5 mission je akoi na kari ha ga su refer to gani ba lunar polar exploration mission haina so akoi refer to gani lunar polar exploration mission that is LUPEX LUPEX ko LUPEX haina so mission to gani mark se launch to by schedule to je akoi sorang na 2028 to 2029 si bogi manung the launch to ne expected to ko. With this question number 15 se ma'am so I don't understand to biram magan thazai ka aduna maram ora kan da next question to continue to see which organization has developed the high speed microprocessor Bikram 3201 and Kalpana 3201 for space mission ko space mission gi damakta high speed processor that is Bikram 3201 and Kalpana 3201 have se karamba organization develop to buno hangi ko jaksa ISRO NASA DRDO ko akhoi option mari pire and akhoi newspaper gi pisisu akhoi ure that is ISRO and SGL mokoi bani se collaborate torakan ne do wai option dadi SGL sa hapamdre sorry SGL sa hapamdre ko so aduna masigi 32-bit microprocessor se kanana karamba organization develop tawi that is ISRO in collaboration with SCL haibagi full form di akhoi semiconductor the semiconductor yes na semiconductor laboratory habni ko semiconductor laboratory na habni ko semiconductor laboratory SC na semiconductor laire L na laboratory laire ko kadaida in Chandigarh masina mawani na jointly ISRO amasung SCL sina jointly develop tawba adumba 32-bit microprocessor amani ko 64-bit na tiko mayam 32-bit ni ko so understand to biramon and thazai with this question number 17 the continue to see which country recently discovered the world largest white hydrogen deposit world largest white hydrogen deposit kamba country ni discovered to no hangi white hydrogen hai ta ri mayam confuse satna bai have to explain to jarange akoi naturally occur to naturally phangba du natural hydrogen dubu natural hydrogen dubu akoi na kai ko white hydrogen ko akoi that occurs naturally in the earth adum ba hydrogen dubu akoi white hydrogen ko karamba country ni discover to no option number A the India option number B the USA and option number D C the Russia and option number D the France and here the correct option is that is France na discover to ko and question number 18 now continue to which country was ranked the unhappiest in the World Happiness Report 2025 World Happiness Index 2025 the karamba country happiest habna te ko ma'am unhappiness habni happiness index ki khwaidagi lowest laibido ni akoina haidu se ko khwaidagi last laibido adu tardi option number A the Lebanon option number B the Sierra Leone option number C the Afghanistan and option number D the Pakistan ko akoi the P the ahan ba position dadi kanana laira Finland laira ani subu position dadi Denmark ne and ahum subu position dadi Iceland ko Finland se World Happiness Index ta adum mamang da se adum mangna adum number 1 ta adun laira ko ma ki hantak su 8 consecutive times ne ba 8 consecutive Finland ki 8 consecutive times ne ko duga khoi India gi rank ti 118 India gi na 118 rank laiba ko aduga akhoi hida khwaidagi lowest laiba se karamba no an hangi ko adugi high riba answer se high dingai da khoi World Happiness Index se karamba institute na akhoi publish to no do yengmina se ko akhoi gi haijar age well-being research center University of Oxford in partnership with Kanaga partnership torakanda develop to baneba the UN Sustainable Development Solutions Network haiba organization singina collaborate torakanda publish toba adumba index amani ko aduga sigi khwaidagi ani happiest oiba country se world ta karamba country no han hai targadi that is option number C Afghanistan ni ko and ma'am so idna khangbi ro mani aduga Pakistan ki rank na 109 chuba rank ni aduga akhoi India na kya da 118 even Pakistan was higher than our akhoi India dagi but ko masigi report se kya muk yamna akhoi genuine orabno akhoi si adum external affairs minister S Jaishankar naga adum akhoi condemn to bun ko mo yang ase du tagade akhoi question number 19 da mo continue to say what is the theme of the International Day of Happiness 2025 International Day of Happiness 2025 ki theme se kari non hangi International Day of Happiness 2025 se 20 March 2025 to celebrated to iko aduga ma ki theme se option number A de yang se to live life happily or option number B the build a world full of happiness on option number C the caring and sharing, and option number D the gross national happiness. And option mari pide, and here the correct option is so the money, that is option number C, caring and sharing is the correct option here. And question number 20 the continue to see. What is India's rank in the Free Speech Index? Free Speech Index, according to a recent global survey by the US-based think tank, The Future of Free Speech. The Future of Free Speech hariba US-based think tank na survey tawbagi matung inna akogi India gi rank se Free Speech Index ta India gi rank se kya subada laibano na hangi ko akogi sigi question sina hangi sa. And do tardy ranks is 16 subdra, option number A, the option number B the 20, option number C the 24, and option number D the 22. However, ranks kya subdra no. And here the correct option is 24 rank the 24 rank out of country kya survey to bugi manung the out of 33 countries 33 countries survey to bugi matung the India gi score se kya ne ba 62.6 score lai ki ba aduga khwaidagi first ta akogi Norway na first ta ki Norway with a point of 87.9 and second the after Norway later, and second the Denmark later. Denmark with a point of 87.0 rank. So sigi free speech index da ko India gi rank se kya le 24 rank. Kanana published over US based think tank The Future of Free Speech in a global survey gi matung in and out of 33 countries. With this, question number 20 issue, ma'am, understand the Question number 21, the continue to our schedule 30. Which award did the Reserve Bank of India receive from the Central Banking London in 2025 for its excellence? Reserve Bank of India na RBI na ko. Dutari yang si ahan option the Innovation in Banking Award, and option number B the Best Financial Inclusion Award, and option number C the Global Economic Leadership Award, and option number D the Digital Transformation Award. And ma'am picture this is so in ubira money, that is here the correct option is Digital Transformation Award. With this question number 22, we continue to see Ramakanta Rath, who recently passed away, was a celebrated poet in whose language? Karamba language ki yamna maming chatpa celebrated poet nuana hangi ko Ramakanta Nath ko. Makse recently hantakta makse like dabda ngari ko on March 16 da. Yang se du tar the option the Hindi gira, Sanskrit gira, Odia gira, Bengali gira and hangi ko. Do she hiding aida Ramakanta Nath at the age of 91 da mahak se laiki dabani aduga mahak se 2006 da Padma Bhushan fangi ko phangki chi aduga mahak se yamna celebrated or poet karamba language ki, that is option number C, Odia language ki ko celebrated poet amuni ko. And my picture this ure ko renowned Odia poet Ramakanta Rath passed away hanaka. And here the correct option is option number C, and option question number 23 the continue to say who was the chief guest at the Raisina Dialogue 2025. Raisina Dialogue 2025 is chief guest kanano na hangi ko president, US President Donald Trump, or UK ki president UK ki prime minister Keir Starmer, and New Zealand ki prime minister Christopher Luxon, and Japan gi Fumio Kishida ko. Option mari pire, and here karam option no the correct option is picture the sure ko Christopher Luxon is the correct option ko. And however Russiana dialogue se India da PM Modi ne inaugurated to ko kadai da karam from the New Delhi da ko New Delhi da inaugurated to aduga mark edition je kya suba edition on hang ka 10 edition ni ko tara suba edition ni aduga marks 17 to 19 March fok to pangthokibani 17 to 19 March fok to pangthokibani aduga haiba Russiana dialogue hantak sahi gi theme je kari no na hangta de theme is triple P, that is people, peace and planet. People, peace and planet ko. Triple P is the theme of 2025 of Raisina Dialogue 2025. Then edition ko kada da pang talk about New Delhi da ko, and the guest was Christopher Luxon ko. the Prime Minister of New Zealand. Question number 23 da akhoi adui taragda mayam khangminare. Silokanda question number 24 am continue torsi. Who is said to be sworn in as the next Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago? Trinidad and Tobago sa akhoi Caribbean Sea da laiba domba island country am ni ka Tobago, Trinidad akhoi mayam ure ka. So with this akhoi yenga se ma ke anova kanu se kana odino prime minister se kana odino na ka Kamala Prasad Biseswar Patrick Manning option number B the and option number C the Cat Rowley and option number D the Stewart Young and here the correct option is that is Stewart Young is the correct option ka. And question number 25 to continue to say which country recently signed a peace treaty with Armenia ending 4 decades of war ka. Sahi क्या आगे 4 decades हाबनीना 40 years की 40 years of wars war हाबदी conflict को पूरा लान मगने तरह से conflict 40 years of conflict लोशिनबा लोशिनबा का कदोबा लोशिनबा की दमाग ता peace treaty ये sign तंग नहीं कना कना करम country country की मरक तना Armenia and कना की मरक तना न हंगे Ukraine Azerbaijan Italy and Russia and option मरी पीरे and picture द उरे that is Azerbaijan ko Azerbaijan ko Armenia and Azerbaijan ki martani ko haiba country ani se masigi akhoi bi ke Soviet Union na collapse tokra matung da after the Soviet Union collapse ko akhoi gi sigi Nogor Nogorno and Karabakh region haitare masigi Nogorno and Karabakh region sigi damakta akhoi gi achauba international internet conflict ama lay makhoi gi yamna kuiraba conflict ama Nogorno and Karabakh region sida since the collapse of the Soviet region ko Soviet Union collapse tokra matung da ko sigi sigi maram sina ni ko haitare sigi maram sina makhoi gi suk kuiba conflict sila rakpani adubu hantak da Armenia and Azerbaijan masigi country ni sigi markta peace treaty sign tawna re ko masigi 4 decades of war say 4 decades of conflict lotion na bagi damakta with this question number 26 continue to question number 26 which city will launch India's first triple P green waste processing plant triple P green waste processing plant se karamba city na launch tawdino hangi option number A the Indore option number B the New Delhi and option number C the Bhopal and option number D the Ujjain ko akhoi picture do su ure and triple P habdi akhoi myam soidan khangbiramoni ko triple P di kaino myam akhoi comment section da drop toksin biramo myam gi homa oina ko triple P is karino do ka and here the correct option is karamba kaino no city no that is option number A Indore ni ko Indore ni karamba mission karamba scheme gi makhada under the Swachha Bharat Mission Urban Scheme gi makhada ko. So with this question number 26 story, question number 27 the who was elected as the president of the International Olympic Committee in March 2025 from Zimbabwe dagi ihan han women hai tare ko women the president of the International Olympic Committee se kana elected tawbano na hangi ko akhoi nupi oibagi maru oibagi panjaramani ko option number A the Michael Phillips nupi na te natra option number B the Usain Bolt and option number C the Christy Coventry and option number C the Simone Biles akhoi picture the sure ko first female president and hai se ko IOC gi ko karai dagi elected torokpa Zimbabwe dagi ko so and here the correct option is option number C that is Christy Coventry ko and maya marak asida akhoi International Olympic Committee akhoi yamna maru oiba organization amni natra International Olympic Committee sigi maram dai pet khangminaram se haiba International Olympic Committee se kamba sahi da founded tokibno haina hangta gade founded in 23rd June 1894 ko Paris France ta aduga ma ki headquarters na kadai do oiba Switzerland lausne Switzerland ko Switzerland gi lausne hai mafam du headquarter oi ko So sigi point sing si mayam understand to biro mangni han thazai with this question number 28 to continue to siko. Question number 28, as per the government's approval in March 2025, where will the new brownfield ammonia urea complex fertilizer plant be established? Kadai no brownfield ammonia urea complex fertilizer plants established to do say and hangi ko government's approval amugi matung ina ko. And here yang asi option number A the Namruf, Assam. And option number B the Ranchi, Jharkhand. And option number C the Bhopal, MP. And option number D the Durgapur, West Bengal. Okay, P re ko tari option me ama. And picture the sure that is option number A is the correct option here. Namrup, Assam is the correct option. Ma'am, with this, question number 29, the move on to question number 29, the which organization partner with DigiLocker to resolve the issue of unclaimed financial assets? Unclaimed financial assets ki ka issue se resolve tong na bagi damata karamba organization na DigiLocker ka partner to buno na hangi ko. And here ako yengasi the correct option to karamba no na ako picture du sure hiding ngai dam no ma'am ubiram ni RBI SBI na barla se bi ra ka. And the correct option is option number D, SEBI. SEBI की full form di kaino Securities and Exchange Board of India and have ni ko ida lere ko Securities and Exchange Board of India. Miyam question number 29 so I understand or magna thazai ka adana maram ora kan da question number 30 the move on to the book Mars of Glory and have ko. The book Mars of Glory released on March 18, 2025 celebrate which historic sporting event karamba historic sporting event bu celebrated to banana hangi ka. And here ko yang 1992 football world cup victory, 1975 hockey world cup victory, 2008 Beijing Olympic gold, 1983 cricket world cup victory han akogi option mari pire ko. And akogi sigi correct option je haidingai da masigi Mars of Glory have a book che kana na e kibno kana na author to kibno de yeng minasi ko author by moi ani pulla kanda iminam ni ko author by hockey historians ai bedum full de ramage ko historians ana ke aru mugam ko ke aru mugam and journalist Errol de Cruz ke Arumugam and Errol de Cruz ka maming ani sin ningsing biroga ke Arumugam and Errol de Cruz haiba ani sina love ko author to minabani that is Mars of Glory haiba lyrics ko. And haiba sida ko historic sporting event amagi damakta dramatic representation ama tawi that is karamba historic event on hangak taragadi 1975 hockey world cup victory. Option number B is the correct option here. And with this question number 31 the continue to say the fourth edition of the snow marathon Lahore highway snow marathon the fourth edition Asia's only and the world highest snow marathon will be held in which state or union territories. Karamba state natra karamba union territories the pangtok tribunon hang fourth edition of the snow marathon that is Lahore world akogi Asia kakgi na Asia's ki only and the world highest snow marathon hai tare ko Asia gi na mukhatangai raba and world gi oina khwaidagi highest oiba snow marathon ko altitude kramba kaya 11,000 feet altitude ta pangthok adoba adom snow marathon amani ko over masida akogi 300 participants and participate from across India ko aduga magi category kaya da pangthok tino hana hang taragade 4 categories ta pangthok tini ko 4 categories ta akogi marathon semi marathon and 5 kilometer kan koi dain tawdana akogi 4 categories ta pangthok adoba adomba marathon makhalamani ko kadai dana Himachal Pradesh tara Jammu and Kashmir dara Arunachal Pradesh tara Sikkim dara snow marathon and habni ko aduna maram orakanda and here the correct option is that is option number A Himachal Pradesh ta pangthok adobani ko. Ma'am's question number 31 is so great to Magnan Thaze. Aduna, next question number 32 the continue to say. Whose Indian actor was recently officially recognized as the Fit India icon by the Union Sports Ministry, Mansukh Mandavia. Akogi Sumain Togana Akogi Minister Maming union gi pariba sports ministry tribal ministry handak SSGD da khoi tribal minister gi maming kari kaubono kain hangbado domai to da minister gi maming ji ningsing ba phai ko union gi sports ministry khoi hoje hoje ki mansum mandabia na kana bo fit india icon oine recognize to khino na hangi ko khoi picture du sure option number A da Akshay Kumara, option number B da Shahrukh Khan la, and option number C da Ayushman Khurrana, and option number D da Amitabh Bachchan, and picture da uri sima tungna that is option number C Ayushman Khurrana ka. Question number 32 lore. Question number 33 dam continue to see what is the name of the bilateral naval exercise between the French and Indian navies held between March 19 and 22 to 2025 adugi maming do kari kaubono na hange bilateral naval exercise to gi maming do ko kana kana gi mark to pangthokpa Indian Navy and French Navy gi mark that is option number A the exercise Garuda, and option number B the exercise Ponkan, and option number C the exercise Baruna, and option number D the exercise Indra ko picture the sura that is option number C exercise Baruna is the correct option here ko kadai da pangthokibano venue se akogi Arabian Sea da pangthokibani ko Arabian Sea daga maki edition na kya sube edition na 23rd edition ni ko chi su mayam na niksing biro with this question number 34 to continue to say University State the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis recently inaugurated the first temple of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Bhiwandi Chief Minister gi maming sida tabda dum karamba state no je khamani ko karamba state ki Chief Minister no sibo Madhya Pradesh ki Odisha, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu अखोगी option मरी पीरे and अखोगी हान हानबा मखोगी state की ओइना अखोगी चित्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की अखोगी हान हानबा temple से कर्म state inaugurated तो बनो ना हंगी को अदो अखोगी चित्रपति शिवाजी महाराज अखोगी तक तसो film नत्रा movie मा अखोगी यामना ममिंग चलबने अदो न मयाम सोइदन ताबीरमनी को So, haiba si Karamba State ki minister no and Karamba State inaugurated to and here the correct option is that is option number C is the correct option. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis of Maharashtra inaugurated the first temple of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja in Bhiwandi Thane da ko aduga haiba sigi keno se Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja gi idol se kyam wang no kyam chaw sang no ha matam 6.5 foot tall ko wang ebo ko aduga hariba sigi idol se kanana create tobono hana hangta di by Arun Yogiraj ko Arun Yogiraj na hakpani ko and here the correct option is option number C Maharashtra and with this question number 35 to continue to see which is that government recently imposed a tourist fee of rupees 50 per person at its tourist destination Karamba state government no hangi rupees 50 per person ko hariba rupees 50 is valid for lupa 30 days ko lupa yankai se numit kunthani gini hai tare domestic akoi domestic tourist oi taragas ko Karamba state government no di taradi Arunachal Pradesh Uttar Pradesh Assam Sikkim and Okham memory pire and here the correct option is that is option number D Sikkim is the correct option here ko adu taradi kamaina mo khoi kamaina collected tawdino have question mo myam na hangangani natra akoi gi tourist sing sina makoi hotel sing the check in hotels or ma ne laidriba kai da check in taw matam da natra hariba sigi tourist fee se collected to horani ko check in taw ba adai atai taw matam da duga hariba fee se mo hotels kai duna akoi gi do state tourism department ki account da mu transfer taw sin dine hafta khuding akoi gi account ta hai tare ko account ta mo hafta every week khuding ki transfer taw sin dine Ma'am, so that understand the Viramanika. So with this question number 37, the continue to say Syed Abid Ali passed away recently at the age of 83. Who was he? Marks Kanano and Syed Abid Ali se. Akoi ma'am no ming chatpa koi no pa amni politician la, cricketer la, footballer la, writer la and hangi ko and he was a cricketer ko. Koi India ki cricketer kai kai siam to maru hoy na tra cricket ki maram da su dum question hangale ka duna ma je Syed Abid Ali si cricketer ni ma si all rounder hai tare all rounder cricketer amani ka matam amage with this question number 38 ta continue to see 38 oidamiko. Where is the second edition of the Kabaddi World Cup 2025 being held? Second edition of the Kabaddi World Cup 2025 kadai da pangthokibano na hangi ko. India, China, England, Japan ko. And here the correct option is hiding the first edition kadai da pangthoki. First edition kadai da pangthoki habdo mayam homework mayam gi homework akogi experience gi homework ado comment da drop tokin biramo ko. And second edition the han han bo outside Asia ko kadai da pangthokpa England da pangthoi ko. And here the correct option is option number C ko. Second edition na Kabaddi World Cup 2025 ki second edition in England da and first edition na kadai da ko. So next question number 38 tamu continue to the upper ID asai gi ahan bukino dio ko. Recently in the news is associated with his initiative ko. Ma'am so dan khang biro magni option number A the National Digital University, option number B the One Nation One Health Card, and option number C the Digital India Mission, and option number D the One Nation One Student ID and option mari pi ko. Upper haibagi full form di PAAR upper haibagi full form di karino hai matamdo automated permanent academic account registry na haibani ko registry upper haibase ko sigi kadoba maki initiatives masigi ID se masigi initiative se karamba initiative ka associated webno hangi ko. And here the correct option is option number D One Nation One Student ID ko. Masi karino purakpano ha matam the National Education Policy 2020 ki matung ina lakpani ko. National Education Policy 2020 ki matung ina. So with this question number 39 continue to show who won the women's title at the PSS Challenger Squash Tournament in Chennai. PSS Challenger Squash Tournament Chennai the pangthokiba the women's title kanana logibano na hangi ko. Anahat Singh, Birsotrani, Melville, Shani Maniko, Akanksha Salungkhe and option mari pire ko. And here the correct option is ma'am picture the sure that is option number A Anahat Singh ko is the correct option here ko. And question number 40 yang say which team recently won the 15 hockey India Senior Women National Championship 2025 karamba team na mai pakimo haina 15th edition of Hockey India Senior Women National Championship 2025 saka. Yang option number A the Haryana, option number B the Kerala, option number C the Jharkhand, and option number D the Madhya Pradesh ko. And here the correct option is option number C Jharkhand. Jharkhand mai paki kanabu mai thibu pirakanda hogi defending champion that is Haryana se mai thibu pirakanda point kya da 4-3 the mai thibu pirakanda ko. So with this akogi hariba hockey edition gi keno se kadai da pangthokimno hang tarde in Panchkula ko. Sige mafam da pangthoki ko. So ngasigi akogi current affairs ki video se matang sida weekly current affairs ki video ki question se matang sida losinjare aduga akogi PDF pamba regional announcing atop important updates amsung daily quiz ki damakta aigi telegram channel sida scan tawragara or I description the link soidan hapcharange adu join tokshin biro and whatsapp personal gising ki whatsapp group whatsapp channel ki link soidan hapcharange aduga mayam aigi channel sidagi aigi video sidagi experiencing na kana ba khajik tang oisu phange na khan bi taragadi like share amasung subscribe to ba kaubigenu hana ningsingjari masira kanda mayam bo amo hana thagachari. Thank you mayam.